Welcome back. Let's do this question. Using the following diagram, calculate the size of x and y. So from this diagram, we can see that in triangle BDC, DB is equal to BC. Therefore, angle C1 is equal to angle D2. So we can say angle C1 is equal to 2x, since these are angles opposite equal sides. Right. See that DB, BD is equal to BC. Okay. And then when you use these three angles, D2, B2, and C1, if we add them, they must give us 180 degrees because these are interior angles of a triangle. And then we can say, since this is 2x, we can say 2x plus 2x plus 5x is equal to 180 degrees. Then the reason is sum of angles in triangle. Right, so it means this is 9x is equal to 180 degrees. We divide by 9 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to 20 degrees. In triangle ABD, we can see that angle A is equal to angle B1. These are angles opposite equal sides because AD is equal to BD, meaning that angle B1 is also Y. If you check this, angle D2 is an exterior angle of triangle ABD. Angle D2 is an exterior angle of triangle ABD, meaning that if we add the interior opposite angles, which is Y and Y there, we must get 2x. But remember, we have our x. So meaning that y plus y is equal to 2 times x is 2x because of exterior angle of triangle. Right, so it means 2y is equal to 2 times 20 degrees. Y is equal to, if you divide both sides by 2, you remain with 20 degrees. So it means y is also 20 degrees.